and that means more changes will likely occur, including new hirings to satisfy what the young, talented defensive coordinator has planned for 2026 and beyond. So, Cowboys Nation, looks like a full rebuild of the defensive side of the football for the Dallas Cowboys. It's long overdue. We need a full rebuild. We need to build it from ground up because we had a terrible defensive side of the football this last season. And in order for us to compete 2026 and have a defense, we need to rebuild that and fix that up and get that taken care of. And the man to get it done is Christian Parker, I believe. I believe this guy is going to get things done and taken care of. Cowboys Nation, hope you enjoy Cowboys Talk with Chuck. That's just a little bit of stuff that's been shaken up here in Dallas on the defensive side of football. With that said, hope you enjoy Cowboys Talk with Chuck. Like and subscribe and take care. Cowboys Nation, Cowboys Talk with Chuck. I'm out of here.